Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create product photo with AI for free using Pippit AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the Pippit AI website, pippit.ai, or you can click the join a link on my YouTube description. Once you visit this website, you need to sign into this website with your Google account, and then you will earn credits for free. Then you can use the credits to create product photo with AI. Okay, then you're going to go to the image studio and you're going to select this menu, product poster, and there will be a lot of templates that you can use. And I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to change the product, and you can upload your own product guys. You can click on device, but for me, I'm just going to use my asset. I've already uploaded. Oh, okay, I haven't uploaded yet, so I'm going to go to the device and I'm going to use this product. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, and then we can create generate right here, and it will consume 2 credits guys. Okay, now the product poster or product photo is being created. Okay, and this is the result, and you can regenerate it if you want, but I'm just going to select one of them. I'm going to choose this one, and you can download it here and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay, you can choose without Pippit Watermark. Click on download. You can also change the format if you want, and yeah, don't miss it guys. Try to use the Pippit AI to create your own product photo or product poster. If you are interested in using Pippit AI, you can click the join link on my YouTube description or on the comment section down below. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.